Why use ReactJs? Top 11 reason to choose ReactJs for project development. What use ReactJs? As we know that ReactJs has a lot of features and capabilities, it is an open source JavaScript library which you can use to create modern, scalable, and efficient front-end applications. Moreover, many organizations and companies are deep diving into ReactJs, taking advantage of their framework, resources and tools to create the best front-end applications. But, the main question is, which are the key benefits of ReactJs, aka what are the advantages of ReactJs which lead everyone to use this framework? Advantages of ReactJs for development: high performance, high speed, flexibility and adaptability, reusable components. Top 11 reasons why use ReactJs for your next programming language to build the projects. A lot of frameworks are there in the market since a few languages are difficult to understand, as well as you also need to spend more time learning and exploring. However, ReactJs is easy to understand, and every JavaScript learner or developer can easily create the best front-end applications in ReactJs. Various brands and companies are also using ReactJs and its features to create stable applications. Learning made easy. High quality UI, search engine friendly. Features of template designs. Testing made easy. Customization of component. Handful tools for development. Larger community and support. Trending and used by giants companies. Abstractions. Performance enhancement. Types of the projects that getting benefits of ReactJs. Large scale and enterprise applications projects. The types of web applications that require dynamic page updating, PWAs and complex UI design applications. Less development time and component style architecture. Summary. So, this is all about what ReactJs, what are the features of Reacting and the advantages of ReactJs. Hope you get all the information and now ready to choose ReactJs as your next project. Moreover, if you are looking for the ReactJs app development, don't hesitate to connect with us.